Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to set Instagram bio to digital creator. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app, then tap on three line option and scroll down. Tap on this option account type and tool and just click on professional account. Switch to professional account and next, and just select digital creator, this option, and switch to professional account. And next, and switch to set Instagram bio to digital creator. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.